When we talk about alien life, Lewis, the focus is typically on what planets can we identify in the universe that are similar to Earth, similar in size, similar in terms of distance to the sun, similar in terms of the size of the sun relative to our sun. But astronomers now are starting to think we might be looking too closely at planets that are just like ours and not closely enough at other types of planets that might be even more suitable for life than Earth is. So the idea being, yes, Earth is suitable for life, as we know, because we exist on Earth. However, there might be other types of planets which, in our interest in finding Earth like planets, we are ignoring that may have characteristics that are actually even more favorable for life than Earth is. Renee Heller, who's an astrophysicist at Canada's McMaster University, who is the lead author of a new study focusing on other types of life suitable planets, says, in my point of view, astronomers and biologists are biased. The study is called Superhabitable Worlds. Professor Heller is proposing that tidal heating can create conditions where life could emerge on an icy or terrestrial planet previously thought of as uninhabitable. Tidal heating is the frictional heating of the satellite's core caused by the gravitational pull of its parent planet and possibly neighboring satellites. These planets most likely would be 2 to 3 times bigger than Earth, often not considered seriously when looking for Earth-like planets, and much older as well, and that they believe any liquid would be found over the surface of the planet in shallow reservoirs rather than in giant deep oceans, yet another characteristic typically looked for when considering what would be a habitable planet. This is really very interesting because it's opening up the door, Lewis, to whole other types of planets being possible carriers of life.
Right. Yeah, I wonder if what the gravity would be like on a planet that's 3 times the size of Earth. I mean, of course, mass dictates gravity, so who knows? Maybe it would be the same, but it is interesting to think about.
It could be a larger but less dense planet, certainly. It's also interesting when you read these studies and they talk about there are a lot of nearby solar systems where this could really change our perception of where life could be. That term nearby, when it comes to space standards, is almost funny in terms of what nearby means. We're still talking about light years away and completely beyond the visitation capacity of humans now, or at least in the immediate future. That term nearby is very funny.
It is, yeah. I mean, it seems like space travel should be our main focus because if we don't nail that, we're not getting anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, bombing other countries and constantly funding the military industrial complex. Let's do something where the entire human race benefits. But maybe it's harder to, I don't know, see that beyond the next election or something like that.